Good morning, everybody. Well, as you can see, we are on the road again. We are leaving Quartzsite for good, and we are heading to Ehrenberg to do some laundry, and then meeting up with some other people, and we are heading to the slabs. So, we're going to turn you guys around, take you guys for a ride.
Woohoo!
Woo!
Slab City!
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Alright, we are getting ready to rock and roll, go get some gas and some water across the street because it is full here and the Love's is really packed. So we're gonna just go over on the other side of these trees and get some water and gas over there. And then we'll all be heading down the road. Go ahead and crank it. All right. All right, where are we meeting you? Are you just sitting here, Aja? Aja, are you just staying here until we come back?
Yeah.
Right, we'll meet. Come right back here, right? All right.
How much is gas there, do you know?
I just have to get like 2 gallons.
I know, but how much is it there?
I'm just going down to Texaco because they have water.
You had to get gas too?
Do you have to get gasoline?
I think so, yeah, because I'm at 3/4. So that should make it.
I mean, that's pretty much where I'm at. I would hope so. It's only a couple hours.
Yeah, it's 114 miles. So I just want to get gas just to be on the safe side, just in case we do stuff. So.
Hey everyone. All right, we are back on the road. We are fueled up. We are, is that how you say it? Fueled?
Fueled up, watered up.
What else?
Also,
Gray
we
tank,
did our
black
laundry,
tank.
everything. We're all good to go.
Gray tank, black tank's all emptied. We
Good
did
for
that
another
back
week
in
and a half or
Quartzsite.
so. Yep.
And we're heading to Brawley. We may stop at a few places on the way, but our main destination is to get to the nearest Walmart because we need to stock up after being in Quartzsite for the 10 days.
10 days. I
Is
think
that
it was
how long it was? 10
today's,
days. It might have been
13
longer
days.
than that, actually, you
Yeah,
guys.
we got there on a Tuesday, so.
Yeah, so we're
Yeah.
going to stock up in Brawley, and then we're going to head out to the slabs, and we're going to take you guys along for the ride. All right, here we go.
catch up. It's about 15 minutes. So if anybody needs anything or whatever, then this is a good break. Because our destination is about 40 miles past this.
All right, so we're just waiting for the rest of the group.
Right.
In the line, Mickey has caught back up with us, and we are back on the road.
Where what?
The Glamis entrance is?
No, I have no idea where the Glamis.
I guess I can look it up.
Is that where we're gonna go, or are we gonna go to the?
There's the dunes, and we're all getting ready to drive forward. Not sure if we're stopping and playing in the dunes, or if we're just heading to Walmart to get provisions to head onto the slabs. But there they are, and they're huge, big dunes. Alright.
So we just took a nice little detour.
We did just take a nice little detour.
Oh, okay.
This is the beach store. We've got a lot of people in the group.
Yeah, but there's tons of sand dunes.
Aja?
The last time I came through here was at night, so we didn't really get to see much.
Okay.
So, but I think this is
I think we've found Glamis. What are the rules?
Don't get in the sand.
And how many minutes do we have?
Right here, baby. You didn't
About
see
30
this.
minute.
You're fine, right?
Okay, y'all. We're gonna take a 30-minute break.
I can go all the way down.
Yeah, I got one drive, so get you out of there.
All right, we're trying to get people, well, Aja and Mickey are trying to help people get out of the sand. I think she's okay. Okay, so Mick and Scott want to roll in the sand like the kids. They're going to be all full of sand. Oh, yeah! What it's... Well, you go right ahead. The sand won't stick to you too bad, Scott. If you want to do it, you should do it. Aja, you. Now.
Take your shoes off, lady.
You do not play fair in the sand.
Take your shoes off, lady.
All right. Aja wants me.
How can I not? Okay.
It's just sand. It's not going to eat away at you.
Moo, get it.
I had my shorts on.
Oh, how fun. Moo-Moo's loving that.
That feels good, my friend. I can breathe the desert and everything like that. Yeah, it's not hot. It's cold. It's good.
At least, you know, I'm sure in August, July, August.
So we just had a lot of fun playing in the dunes. Did you have fun?
In the sand?
In the
Yes.
sand.
I would like to come out and ride in one of those awesome little rigs they have.
Okay.
That
I
looks
was
like a
just
lot
going.
of fun.
So we're all getting out of here. We will see you guys on the road.